It's all about Rave inside the cave.
What's the name of the sound? What's the name of the sound? What's the name of the sound?
Welcome to Everton Media.
Welcome to Everton Media.
Tonight, Jane belongs.
Yes, my viewers, welcome back to the channel, Slick Media. Alright, this time it's all about Believe Paradise Cave. Alright, show you a little, give you a little preview what's going on up there. Yeah, kind of early still, so you don't know the party a little more. Tago shut up. Alright, my viewers, so stick around, there's a lot more to come. Yes, my viewers, you don't know it's all about the cave, you know what I mean? Yeah, come on, Believe Paradise Cave. Seeing party a little more, kind of early now. I go and tie out and, you know, check out, see what they go on. Yeah, man, as I believe said, the girl in my raving at the cave, see him there? Alright, yeah. So, the whole kitchen there, you know. So, the first kitchen, you know, just reach at the first kitchen. Check out the chef, them, see what they go on there first. What go on, chefy? Yeah, man, if I sleep me that day, see it?
Yeah, man, respect, you know?
Yeah, so what they go on inside the kitchen?
Yeah, man, you know, some chicken soup with some jerk chicken.
I mean, man.
Still
Wow.
fish and okra.
I come on, so come take a look. Yes, I. See what I go. Yes, I. See the people.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I mean?
The jerky, yeah?
See.
Yeah.
For real, man.
Nice soup pot.
See soup, yeah.
Alright, if you want.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Very rich.
Alright, soup
Yeah,
soon ready, you know.
Rich like China.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
For real, if you want, you don't know it's all about Believe Paradise Cave, you know, yeah? I don't know. Little more. Think I got nice for little more for later. See, if you want, just stick around, you know. Whole heap of things will come little more, alright? Yes, my viewers, we know say vehicle run off a road, but we never know say donkey run off a road. Trust me. Yeah, man, the donkey just run off a road a while ago, you know. Oh my God. Yes, my viewers, donkey just run off a road with that man, you know. Yeah. Oh God. Come up, man, come up, man. Join up, man. Give donkey jump. Give me donkey rope. See donkey here. See donkey come there. Yeah, man. Me say me know vehicle run off a road. Me never know say watcha. Donkey want run off a road again. My God, man. I'm sure I have this on camera a long time, you know, man. When they come up now, man. Boy, look like he crash. Look like he bumper them pop off. You know, say vehicle run off a road, me never know say donkey and man could have run off a road.
What's up to put for the chicken? The chicken, when you ketchup and it's up, if you mix up. You spray up on the chicken.
Message.
Yeah.
More hot beer. And the ketchup.
Never buy sauce.
I know the donkey can't dry him up.
Just the hot beer and the ketchup.
Drive the donkey, make the donkey dry him up.
Or quart buckle like. Ketchup buckle them.
Oh boy, then.
Yeah.
Come here,
Can't believe this. I know, so they're not coming yet.
okay.
Alright, me ask him, I don't know. I don't know what they up to. Yes, come up. Come, me know say vehicle run off a road. Me never know say donkey run off a road too. Oh God. Donkey run off a road with a man. Man just a come up out of the bush. Yeah. If I I cry. I should have the video from day one to hearted. My God. Yes, my viewers, this man run off a road with the donkey. See the donkey over road there? Yeah, right, let's run off in the bush. Soon give you a closer view. Yeah, what's going on over corner there.
If you hurt one, you hurt yourself too, yeah. You must love one, cause they're just like you. When we go for jump, we drop the crucial. We rig the general. We no victimize, we don't potion. Do you love that? Gather around the town and make the reason is a thing. Right, better than the mic. The hypocritical Babylonian thing. Do you love that? Lord, Lord. Listen keenly. And what do y'all hear? Words out. Set your mind in fear. Make this a good reason. Removing prison. This is Operation Roots and Culture, Lord. And when we go for jump, we drop it crucial. We take the general, ain't no victimize, we don't. General. General. When we go for jump, we drop it crucial. Reggae general. When I victimize, we don't potion. Do you love that? Gather up down.
Pick up the people that have our own friends. We don't want a new friend for the new year. No deny.
But just the way me stay from morning. Shine never need a new friend. Got them friendship carry. Me a talk about me feel. No me a give one. No one knows my struggle. I don't know my trouble. So you must go on. Because the mama love you.
They don't want to see me rich.
They want to see me poor. Gangsta for life, surrounding. Sing someone. It's true.
Every trade.
Every community. Every girl.
Pick up the people that love and every day. There's some people who are born and conscious and told them born and grow. From an astronaut to place in ya.
And even if we left to go there, you see, even if we left to go there,
Don't worry. Don't worry.
salvation in our rain. Don't worry. You see, even if we left to go there,
Pick up the people living in them place and don't see I get rich. Someday, somehow.
in our rain.
And you get up and you tell yourself one thing.
It's Charlie. I'm born and grew. No separation, the boy of the truth. But we can't give up 'cause I'm multi-talented. We don't reach this year.
Next year, now.
Pass, young man, as a hustler.
If we don't reach this year.
Next year. Getting rich, bitch, paying these bad beats, finding these melodies. Haters wanna bend it.
I remember the public phone and make sure you know one thing.
I got money in the bank, so I want to know.
Let's see 2022. We call you politician boy. When we call you boy, we make you boy know one thing. This one make you know.
My mama, she don't want to know.
Don't give me that trouble. Just the class on the place where we come from. Make them know.
In this time, see that.
Trouble!
Me have people I'm a friend. Fire shot a friend bomb. Bad man can love. Easy them trash drop. Kill them dog on junk crew. One subscribe and a beer them a pull. You must them tell your own violence go. Pull up on your foot, Trinidad jump out. 5 1 times on the 23 loop. 3 boy carry 1 squeeze and he don't. In the city situation, go come dog and walk on your body like carpet. I could be a couple I'm a friend. That's camera rap yard. Gotta say it tough, tough. Sides and chest are come to catch me tough. The boys say I'm tough, them like how we don't give a fuck. It's the fun, you know, right, and then you get a ball out. Don't forget me, I fuck around. Don't give it a feel just the person that she need my vibe. She said, what's that on face? Cause she ain't a set. Walk around a different scout different. I come from pussy to me, girl, I feel the leg.
You don't have to hold up on your bumper.
She's never full of rollers like the clever dad. 15 I come in, I'm more in respect. Walk on the feet, I'm like a leather bed. The fingers are freeze, do it with these and love a back again. Start them a leave right in the fuck of them. No, I can't believe I told you that. Dark side, living dark. Dark side, living dark. Just dark side, living dark. Dark side, living dark. Every night, just nice. So feel like funny, only one chance. Bring the black everywhere you are the
Yeah, my viewers, this is the view from outside of the cave, alright? Lovely view, right on the main road. Yeah, Believe Paradise Cave. Yes, I. As you can see. Yeah. Gonna give you a view inside of the cave now, so just stick around, see what's coming.